Repel Windproof, double-vented, travel umbrella with Teflon coating review. Watch this video to the end to discover if this is the best umbrella. Repel umbrellas are designed with you in mind and built to ensure the ultimate protection and comfort in any weather condition. Measuring just 11.5 inches long and less than 1 pound for easy storage in purses, briefcases, backpacks, and more. Repel Travel Umbrella is fortified with 9 resin-reinforced fiberglass ribs that flex slightly to withstand powerful gusts without turning inside out and defends against the elements like no other umbrella. You open and close the umbrella effortlessly using just one hand with its built-in auto open and close function. This umbrella is designed with a 3-fold chrome-plated metal shaft and strong metal frame to allow for greater stability in high winds. Using state-of-the-art Teflon technology, its canopy is waterproof and dries instantly. The pros of this product are: the auto open and close feature is much appreciated because it offers one-hand operation. The handle is comfortable and it is the most appreciated feature because of the Teflon coating. It does a great job at keeping the droplets stay pooled on top of the fabric and it is easy to shake them off. The cons of this product are: powerful winds will occasionally invert the outer portion of the canopy, but directing the top of the umbrella back in the direction of the wind will put it back into place. In conclusion, an amazing umbrella that offers good protection against winds and rains, which is simple to operate and dries quickly. This video is made by Gadgets Club, the site that brings you the best gadgets and the best tech deals. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. Check the links in the description for more details about the best umbrellas.